Hey guys, welcome to CheezzKitchen. Today I'm going to make spicy bread egg masala. This is actually a spicy and sweet breakfast recipe. You can even have it as a snack and even a yummy lunchbox recipe. It's actually very easy and very quick to make, but it's super delicious. Now let's see how to make it. Now in a pan I'm going to just roast the bread. So I'm adding some butter. I'm toasting bread because once it gets mixed with the masala, it will just start breaking. So when you toast it a little bit, it will actually stay a bit strong, and also the butter flavor will be added in the bread, which is actually very yummy. So I'm not going to toast it like till crispy or anything, just a little bit browning, that's enough. To the pan I'm adding butter. And I'm adding egg. I'm adding salt to the egg and pepper, and I'm going to cook the egg just like scrambled egg. Actually, egg and bread combination is so yummy. Once you guys try it, you won't even leave it. It's just such a yummy combination. I don't want it too scrambled like egg burji. So the egg is cooked. So I'm going to transfer it. To this I'm going to add some more butter. I'm going to add ginger. You can even add ginger garlic paste. Next I'm going to add finely chopped onions, salt, and I'm going to cook till the onions turn nice and brown. So it's nice and brown. Now I'm going to start adding spices. First thing, tomato ketchup. For spice, I'm going to add red chilli paste, Garam Masala, salt. I didn't add tomatoes because I don't like the sour taste that tomatoes give. A little bit of vinegar. Very simple to make this dish. If it's spicy, you can add a little bit of ketchup. More. The chili paste, I just soaked it and grinded it and cooked it in oil, so I don't have to further cook it. I'm going to add the bread slices, toasted bread slices. Going to mix everything, and I'm also going to add the egg and mix everything together. So I've mixed it and I've added coriander leaves at the end, so I'm going to mix this together finally, and the dish is done. So yes guys, egg bread masala is done. It looks so yummy. I'm actually going to have this for breakfast. Wow, it's so good. It's not too spicy. Spicy, sweet, buttery. Really amazing to start our day with some tea. Awesome. So yes guys, I'm gonna have this for breakfast. Actually, it's going to be divided, and my husband and me are going to have this. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Definitely try it out. It's really yummy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.